Aloha kako, this is Kim, and welcome to Eye in the Sky, where we turn memories into things you can hold. Before we begin, today's Hawaiian word is Hoʻoilina. Hoʻoilina is commonly translated as inheritance or legacy, heritage, something that's passed down like an heirloom. It can refer to tangible things like land or treasured possessions, but it also extends to things that cannot be held in our hands. So things like traditions and stories, knowledge, our language, values, family history, and cultural practices. So in other words, a ho'oinina is something entrusted to the next generation, or in my case, with this junk journal that you see in front of you, the next person. So I purchased this junk journal on Etsy. The shop's name is called Crafty Celiac and out of Minnesota. I will link her Etsy page in the description box of this video. And as you can see, it is a little golden book. And so un petit livre d'or is little golden book, right? And then the title of it is Je Fais Ma Valise, which is I pack my suitcase, basically. And of course, it looks like he's going to be traveling, so he's got his little suitcase. And this is so cute. I guess I should actually show the charms, the dangle that's here. So this looks like some vintage buttons. You've got some red and green ones. They go real nice with the artwork on the cover. And then there are these beads, and you've got a little anchor medallion here, not medallion, but a little charm, and then a button with an anchor on it, and then also a little airplane charm, which I think is so cute. And it is a 4 signature journal, and it has this beautiful fabric that I'm guessing is probably vintage. I'm not entirely sure. And then it's tied up with this beautiful, what would you call this? Oh my gosh, I can't think of the word right now, but it's well, it's ribbon, but like organza. Yeah, organza ribbon. Oh my gosh, why can't I think right now? Because it's this journal. It's so beautiful. It's taking my voice and breath away. So this little envelope was tucked in like this when I opened the packaging. Okay, so I will show you what is in this little package. And so you've got some French flashcards here. Oops, geez, okay. Yeah, so you've got 4 of them here. So these are very cool, and they'll be nice to tuck in. Little ticket, it says Bliss. And then look at this beautiful tag that she created. And it's got probably napkin decoupaged onto a book page, and then this stamp, I want to say. This was probably stamped onto the napkin and the book page before, it was Mod Podged perhaps. And then some cork board and some washi tape. So it's a very, very cute. And then some a journal spot here on the back, but obviously meant to be a tag. So that came there. And then if we open this up, even on the inside, it's all in French. I have never seen the French golden books before, so this is so cute. And this probably means this book belongs to, because that's how the English little golden books are. So you can put your name there. And then she had this little envelope tucked, clipped here. And so this is a pretty envelope that I'm actually probably going to use in this journal. Got to, right? And so the items in this package, this looks like this came from scrapbook paper. So a little cutout of a suitcase. and then a flash card, and then some journal prompts. So this is very cool, and it is a sticker, so put that anywhere in the journal and be able to, you know, list 10 things you have learned to do. List 5 topics that interest you. Name 5 places you would like to visit, and what are your passions. So that's cute. And then a little card. It goes really well with the book. So a little note card with envelope. Got that. And then she's got some green trim here over the fabric, just all around the book. You can see it like that. So it's really cute because even in the back, everything is in French. Love, 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 love. Okay, so let's look into this. All right, so there's this strip of wallpaper that was used here. Stick this clip off, and as you can see, it's beautiful illustrations throughout. So this one illustrated by C. Malvern, and this was 1954. And I mean, look at these. The illustrations in here are yummy. It's so cute. So she's done a little tuck spot here with a little checklist, like a to-do list, little this fiber. I want to say like a, I'm not sure if it's from like a towel or you know, some other kind of fabric. It's a very texturized here. So it is a little tab. It's got a music page, a scrapbook paper, super beautiful. And then you've got another tab stapled on there. This is the middle of the first signature. And then the bows. Music page. Paper. And then of course she saved a lot of the book pages here. Scrapbook paper. I mean, look at this. Look at this picture. Oh my goodness. So cute. And yes, the story itself is in French. So I thought that was so cute. So neat. And it's, you know, it's going to allow me to practice my French. This was tucked in the front. This was probably towards the end, so we'll save that. You know, after he's already got everything packed. It's cute. I want to say it's his sister running up to him with the toothbrush, helping him with his jacket. He's putting his hat on. More scrapbook paper. That's really pretty scrapbook paper. And then you got this page with the trim on it. And then this is a page from a different book, children's book. Some journal paper to write on. Need snacks. Another tab. I like that she did these tabs too, so then it really makes it easier to get to each, you know, each area in the journal. Yeah, I think they're a little bit out of order, the pages, but that is okay because that's not the main thing, right? It's actually just to have journal spots. Okay, and then this was, you know, he's on his way. So these are the end pages. But I just thought how remarkable that, you know, to have something in French like this. And it's a really cute journal. I'm gonna love using it, and I will definitely be using the ephemera that she added. And yeah, I look forward to using it. So I just want to share that with you today. And so for my mo'olelo minute today, or my story minute, I want to say that Hoʻoilina reminds me that, you know, the stories, the values, and the memories we preserve today they can become gifts for those who come after us. What Crafty Celiac has done here is pass on some of her mo'olelo to me, because this is obviously something she's created. These are the things she wanted to use to create this journal. I don't know for sure if Crafty Celiac speaks French or just collects French things, but on her shop she does have a number of French journals that she's made. So again, check out her link, which I will add to the description box of this video. And just remember that every book and every piece of paper, every forgotten treasure has a story worth preserving. And so mahalo for joining me as we discover them together. Until next time, aloha.